Howdy folks, welcome back to Wonder Eats. Today we are in Bangi and we are actually here to visit a relative. So we decided to stay one night here, and a friend of mine recommended this hotel right behind me, which is Bangi Business Hotel, because they have a very unique smart room. Okay, so we're here, we took the family smart room. So let's check in and then have a look at what the room has to offer. Let's go. So over at this area, Bandar Baru Bangi, you can see there's actually a smoked Guerilla restaurant, and just behind this road is EVO Mall, which we're definitely going to check out either tonight or tomorrow and take you guys with us. So they have a vending machine check-in system, so let's try that right now. Let's go check in. So they have the vending machine here, as you can see. Bangi Business Hotel, self-service kiosk. Oh, you can even buy products. Cool. Alright, so let's do this. Hopefully this is painless and easy. Check in. Check in with reservation. Okay. So the hotel policies, blah 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 blah. Okay, agree, accept. I guess it's others. So my number is 04823. Next. Alright, so now I have to put in my card. Scan over there, I guess. Okay. Okay, start scanning. My card is there. 23 seconds. Okay. Alright, so all my details came out on screen. Is that okay? Yes. Please remember to go. Okay. So take out that. Now I'm to enter the phone number. Okay. Alright, next. So I have to pay the deposit for one night, and I have to insert the cash. The instructions is right there, which is here. Okay, let's do that. Creating first booking for you. Okay, I feel my phone vibrate. So they're issuing the door card. Yeah, I wonder where the door card is coming up from. There you go. And then the receipt. Thank you. Enjoy your night stay. That was quick and painless. Pretty good. Got the door card. So let's head on in. Okay. Before that, let's check out the. Oh, look at that. So you can get mineral water, some snacks, coffee. Not much. A lot of things are grayed out, I guess, because it's sold off or it's not refilled. Perhaps. Cool. Bandar Baru Bangi. There you go. So book a room. I think you can book a room directly here. So I'll walk in. Yes. Accept again the policy. One night stay. Continue. I just want to see the room types here. There you go. So they have deluxe room with window, 100 ringgit. Deluxe room, superior room, 140. Executive room, 160. Family room. Yeah, so this is what we got, but it was 180 ringgit. Let's head on in. Pool. That's the lift. So we're on the first floor. Wow, there's some sitting here, and that is Mommy Wonder Eaters. Alright. Ooh, let there be light. Okay, first floor. Oh, you can do ironing on the third floor. Interesting. Okay, so 1119, where in the world is that? So this 106, 105, so it's on the right hand side. Yeah. 108, 109. Oh, pretty large actually. This space. Oh, it's the very last one. There you go. Okay. Nice. Smart room. Okay, what do we do here? Google, good morning.
Good evening. The time is 5.
Oh, there you go.
Currently in Bandar Baru Bangi,
The curtain is opening.
with light thunderstorms. Today, there will be heavy thunderstorms.
Nice.
Forecast high of
Turn on everything. Woo! Now look at that. Yeah. So, smart room. Okay, let's have a look at the restroom. Pretty standard. And the double queen beds. And the aircon is already turned on. Awesome. We have the tiny little bit TV here. So this is the setup of the room. The mineral waters. Right. Place to hang your clothes. Of course the towels. Much appreciated. Yeah, smart room. Interesting. And there's a bank, and I believe there's a KK Mart down there as well. So convenient. Let's test out the bed, shall we? Ah. Okay. Woo. Now, one thing I do appreciate about this room is that you do not have to enter the card to turn on the power. So it's a smart room, so you come in and you just say blah 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 and everything is turned on. I dare not say it right now because after everything will be turned off. Haha.
Tomorrow.
Open the curtain.
For this, Google Home can add information and capabilities for my responses.
Ooh. Good morning, Bandar Baru Bangi. Yep, so it's the next morning, and today I wanted to show you guys something very interesting, which is right here, right by the bedside table. So you can see here, scan QR to chat with us, request for service, and many more. So many more what? Okay, so anyway, I did the scan, and this is how the interface looks like. So let's ask, where is a nearby local food place? Alright, finally you can see the blue tick here that is sent. It shows that the room number here, 119. Please hold while I take a look into that for you. and they were saying that restaurants within walking distance to the hotel, EVO Mall, and then many options within a 1 to 5 minutes walk. Okay, nothing too specific, unfortunately. But the cool thing is that I think if you look at the info, there's things to do, hotel services, useful phone numbers, and let's try things to do. Yeah, and then hotel services. We have pantry, water dispenser, surround. Yeah, we definitely made full use of the water dispenser. Yeah. Okay, let's give one more try. Yeah, this is something which I know the answer to already, so but try it here. How much is the parking fee here at the hotel? So here, yep, that was quick. Parking operates on a first come first serve basis with limited availability. The first 2 hours are free, subsequent hours are RM1 per hour. And Saturday and Sunday 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. the fee is RM2. Yeah. So take note of this when you're entering here for parking. But yeah, this supports touch and go, of course. Checkout time. Alright, let's do this. Check in, check out. Please insert the room card. So return here as well. See the reflection? That's my mom right there. Notice connecting, retrieving booking. Right. Check out. So they will refund the deposit. Yay! Alright. Updating records. I think that should be it. Can we go now? So they come for a survey. Okay, check out successful. Please come again. Take care. Alright, that's it. That's our one night stay here at Bangi Business Hotel. What do you guys think? Would you stay in a hotel like this? That is a smart room? Let me know in the comments below. In the meantime, do like and subscribe as your support will help us a lot. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye!